Have you ever stood in front of a class and suddenly felt like your heart was racing, like you are running a marathon, even though you are standing perfectly still? Hi, my name is Charlie Wen, and I'm a Year 1 Resource Biotechnology student from the Faculty of Resource Science and Technology. Today, I'm going to talk about the physiological symptoms, which are the involuntary physical response the body produces when it perceives a threat. In this case, the threat is the audience. To understand these symptoms, we have to look at our autonomic nervous system, or ANS. This system controls our involuntary function like breathing and heartbeat. The ANS has two main branches. One of it is the sympathetic nervous system, which acts as like the accelerator of a car. When we stand in front of an audience, our brain alarm center, the amygdala, is activated. These almond-shaped structures are crucial for processing emotion like the fear and anxiety. The frustrating part is the amygdala doesn't distinguish between a predatory animal and a room full of classmates. It simply sends a threat of judgment and slams on the accelerator, releasing adrenaline and cortisol into our bloodstream. This is our body's ancient way to preparing us for whether flight or fight. To make this more relatable, I will share my personal experience on having a medical condition known as hyperhidrosis, which is excessive sweating specifically on the palm and the feet. Imagine I'm standing in a hall for a presentation. As soon as I step up, my sympathetic nervous system kicked in. Because of my hyperhidrosis, my palm became very sweaty, making it difficult to even hold my notes or use the slide kicker. This creates a positive feedback loop, which my anxiety triggers the sweat. And this discomfort of the sweat increased my anxiety, causing my amygdala to signal for even more adrenaline. Instead of focusing on the presentation, my brain becomes hyper-focused on these physical symptoms, making it struggle to stay on present. In conclusion, these symptoms aren't a sign of weakness. They are the sign of your body is primed for action. While it is overwhelming, remember that this is the universal human experience. By understanding the biology behind our stress, we take away its power to scare us. Because once we truly understand the biology, we can finally start to manage our response. Thank you for listening.